Hey everybody, this is Dave. I've got my 1986 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am for sale. It has a GTA suspension, so it has the GTA suspension. Went ahead and bought these GTA wheels and wrapped them in BF Goodrich tires. They're pretty much new. I think they're about a year, maybe year and a half old, but other than that, they're pretty new. Just want to offer this for sale. You can also see it on my YouTube channel. You can see it at Classic Cars Connection. That's Classic Cars Connection, not collection, connection. I will try to put a link to that. But this is my 1986 low mileage Trans Am for sale. And if you are interested, please contact me. It's a very nice car, low miles. I think the car's got 66,000. Take a peek. Yep, roughly 66 and some change, almost 67. Real nice shape, real good condition for this age. Headliner is in real good shape. Seats are in real good shape. But it's got to go, so it's up for sale. It's being offered for sale. For details, give me a call, contact me, email me, however you want to reach out to me. I'm here. All right. Thank you very much.